What up, people? This your boy Killer Brown here. Killer Brown. Yes, I'm killing people. Now I'm gonna use the demon. Against whoever. Yeah. The old man himself. And this time, people, I'm using the fight stick. Hold on, wait a minute. Gotta see the fight stick. You know what I'm saying? See the fight stick. The fight stick. Gotta see that. Face the mighty bison.
Are you ready? Fight!
I'm gonna press up. Alright, that's gay. The Psycho Crusher will kill him. Psycho Crusher. Psycho Crusher. The deadliest Psycho Crusher ever. Dare to stay off my... Oh. Watch this. Watch this. Oh, that's crap. Oh, that is crap. Okay. That wasn't just a glitch. Cause it should never happened. He could have went through the daggone freaking. Oh, he got me back in the front. He got me playing. Oh. He goes to dog. Wow. See that? He went through the motherfucker. No, I ain't doing that no more. That was terrible. That was terrible that he did to me. Alright, try to get close as he could so I can kick it. Do the Psycho Punisher. You can't beat me, Goken. You can't beat me. You can't beat me, Goken. You can't beat me. Goken is history. Failed to stay off my dick. Here I come. Psycho Crusher. I can't do the combo. Oh, you was lucky, you little freaking punk. Yeah, I can do the Shijudu shot too. Shoot. Nobody cannot defeat Bison. Kneel before me. Kneel before me, God. Go get him. Kneel before me. Kneel before me. I said kneel. This is the conclusion of chaos of destruction.